Well, this is a great product for energy as well. It's called B Activ. It's really just a very heavy duty B complex that Zymogen put together. So B Activ, I recommend it usually morning and noon doses, like the previous two that I just mentioned. The B Activ is, if you're taking any high dose B vitamins, what you're going to see is you're probably going to see brighter colored urine. Doesn't mean it's not working, it's just high amounts of B vitamins will do that. When we do get low on B vitamin status, whether it's a digestive problem, you're not absorbing it from your nutrients or whatever it may be, because you have maybe a digestive problem, high doses of B vitamins can be very effective at driving energy, especially if you are low. So if you're taking it and you notice a surge in energy, that's a great indication that you are low on B vitamins. But I with this product, I always follow the recommended dose, and I usually never have to go higher.